Ever wondered why your once talkative and affectionate teen now prefers their room over family time? You're not alone. Many parents feel disconnected as their teenagers pull away. But don't worry, today we'll dive into the real reasons behind teen withdrawal and simple ways to reconnect with them. Studies in adolescent psychology show that teens withdraw from their families due to a combination of biological, psychological, and social factors. Let's break it down. Research suggests that during adolescence, the brain undergoes massive changes, especially in areas linked to decision-making and emotions. Teens naturally seek independence, often creating emotional distance from parents. According to psychologists, teens prioritize friendships because they are exploring their identity. Peer relationships become a crucial part of their self-esteem and personal growth. Academic demands, social expectations, and self-doubt can be overwhelming. Teens may isolate themselves to cope with stress, feeling that parents won't understand or might add more pressure. If teens feel constantly criticized or misunderstood, they may choose silence over confrontation. They often assume parents won't accept their thoughts, leading to withdrawal. So how can you bridge the gap and encourage open communication? Here are 4 simple strategies. Create judgment-free conversations. Instead of jumping in with advice, practice active listening. Show them that you hear and respect their perspective. Spend time together without pressure. Engage in activities they enjoy, whether it's gaming, watching a show, or going for a casual drive. Shared experiences build connection without forcing deep conversations. Respect their need for independence. Give them space while maintaining boundaries. Instead of demanding they open up, let them come to you when they're ready. Model openness and vulnerability. Share your own experiences with struggles and emotions. This makes them feel safe to express their own thoughts. Parenting a teen can feel like a roller coaster, but remember, withdrawal doesn't mean they don't love you. They're just navigating their journey to adulthood. Stay patient, keep the doors open, and let them know you're always there. After this video, make sure to watch Teach Your Teen Responsibility in our teen playlist. If you want to explore more topics on parenting teens, check out our full playlist. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more parenting insights, and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge in connecting with your teen? Happy parenting!